Hello everybody! Guess what I've got for you? You will never guess. You and I are gonna do makeup. Huh? You'd not expect me doing it. I did not expect it, but I'm doing it. So let's go. It is Halloween, so we're gonna do something spooky, scary. We see what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen to my face. So you and I will do it together, okay? First thing you want to do when you do makeup is you want to put foundation on your face. Okay, so let's start with the foundation, right? We need a sponge. In Russia, you call it a beauty blender. Apparently, that's what it is. Beauty blender, aka sponge, and the foundation. We're doing this first. All over your face. It's gonna make your face be the same tone all throughout. You'll look good on camera, you'll look good in person. Win-win. You spread it all over your face and your nose. All the spots, don't miss any spots, otherwise you're gonna look very strange. You'll have some kind of purple, reddish, pinkish chin, and everything else is gonna look different. So make sure you get it everywhere. And after that, guys, I wanna know whether I did a good job, okay? So we got some foundation on, I think, and we're gonna move on. So now we basically have like a canvas. When you paint, you have a canvas. Now we can do many things. And we're gonna bring some life to this face, okay? The way we do it is we will use a bit of blush, all right? Do you know when you blush, when you see someone you like, you start blushing, you wanna put that kind of stuff on your cheeks, make you look good. We're gonna take a brush. So this is a fairly big brush. So we take a big brush, we take some blush, blush, kind of rhymes, and we put a little bit of it. I'm doing a little bit of cheeks and a little bit of my nose, just so I look alive. Don't go too crazy, otherwise you're gonna start looking like a clown, okay? There we go. I think there is a bit of life to me now. But yeah, again, guys, tell me what's going on. If I look like death, you tell me. So now that I have a bit of life in me, I am going to use some powder. It's kind of like blush, but it's brown powder, face powder. And I'm gonna use even a bigger brush. And that's to make your cheekbones. So when you do like this, you see your cheekbones. So your cheekbones is what you want to make distinct. Gives you a really good look. Big brush, face powder, brown. We're going a little bit on your cheekbones right here. Again, don't go too crazy, right? Otherwise you're gonna look like me. Here we go. What do you guys think? Decent, right? I hope so. So we brought a little bit of definition to my face. We got some life with blush and some definition to your cheekbones, to your face structure with the brown powder here. Now let's make something a little different. Halloween, right? Let's go scary. I am going to use this eyeliner to make my eyes look like something. We don't know yet. Let's figure it out. I'm going just under my eye a little bit here. I think I'm just gonna do a bit of a contour. It's a similar word in Russian. So you just wanna go all around, and it's broken now, you know? But that happens, don't worry about it. We're gonna use our finger to fix that, because we can't. So kind of like that gives me a bit of something, okay? Now I'm starting to look different, but if you don't have an eyeliner, no problem. You can get a really small brush, and we got some eyeshadow. I think that's what it is. So we'll continue doing this without the eyeliner. And I'll turn a little bit brown. So just around your eye to make you look crazy. Because that's what I'm aiming for. I want to look crazy after this one, all right? If you guys are lucky and you're going to be in school today, you'll see it in person. What do you think? Kind of look like maybe pirate? Not really. We don't know yet. We got more things to do. So if anything goes wrong and you do something wrong with the makeup, you always have this beautiful thing. It's a makeup removing liquid or makeup remover, and you got a bunch of cotton pads that look like these, and you can use it and abuse it to get rid of all the imperfections or mistakes that you've made. So let's fix a little bit on the side, you know, right here, because everything else looks great. I think I start to look like a homeless person, guys, but that's also a look, you know? Okay. So we got rid of all the mistakes. And you can see a little pink now, right? I got rid of the foundation, so you see the pink color. Get rid of this. What else we got here? We got some eyeshadows. Now I'm terrible at this, so let's go. These are very nice bright colors. So we'll take a small brush like this, and we'll use this green color that looks really cool. Maybe I'll look cool. From homeless person to superstar. This is the transformation right here. Does that look cool? No, I actually look a lot scarier now, which I like. You guys ever heard about One-Eyed Joe? This is One-Eyed Serge. So one eye is gonna be fine. The other eye, we don't know yet. Something different. I think we've got it pretty much it. There's mascara. I've never used it, but I mean, I'll just give it a quick shot, see what happens. Any difference, guys? Do you like it? I think it works. Look at it now. Yeah, there it is. I mean, I think I look like a clown. That is a little bit scary. Just to finish it off, the look I'm aiming for is a pirate. You tell me how good of a pirate I'm gonna look at the end. But since we're in Russia, I'm gonna be a Russian pirate. I've got some face paint and glitter. Kind of like this. There's a lot of colors and some glitter. So I'll attempt to draw the Russian flag on my face. I think I can do it. You just gotta remember the colors, right? Tell me if I'm wrong, but we start with this one, right? Let's go. Take brush and white face paint. We go and draw a cool flag. Russian pirate. Russian. Now we need another brush and another color. Another brush, another color. Here we go. Ah, I'm feeling it now. Aye, matey. Feeling a little bit piratey-shy. Last color. We got red. Another brush. Red color. Here we go. This looks good actually, guys. I don't know, what you thinking? I think I'm doing a great job. Ah. How's that for a flag? Pretty good, huh? I'm very impressed with myself too. Just a bit of glitter and we are all done, I think. We'll get a very small brush and we go golden glitter. Halloween party. Woo! And we're just gonna spread it around a little bit, right? Just kind of weird spots. How many pirates have you seen wearing glitter? Not many, I bet. Just a little touch. How cool is that, huh? I can almost cheer for a football team or something. It's like a football fan pirate. You got a football fan, you got a pirate, you mix together, this is what you get. But I'm not there yet. There's a few things a pirate has, right? Because I only did my makeup for one eye, I'm gonna cover the other eye. And pirates have a thing called an eye patch, right? In case you randomly lost an eye. Or did not have any makeup on the other eye. Check this out. We got an eye patch. We need a cool, look, it matches. I got golden glitter and it's golden colored pirate hat. One-eyed Serge pirate Aho matey is ready to rock and roll and go to a Halloween party. Guys, you can give me all your all I need is honesty, okay? Honest comments on how my makeup, my costume, my Halloween makeup have been applied to my face and how good of a job I've done with this. I want to know, honestly, all right? We'll see you next time, and yeah, bye.